Hey everyone, welcome to an unboxing video. I'm doing this for Smile Create Repeat, a subscription box that sends art supplies every month, which is really cool. And full disclosure, I did get this box sent to me, but that's not going to affect my opinion on it, or hopefully it won't, no matter how nice of a guy Tony is. So let's open this thing up. I've never gotten one of these boxes. I'm not a huge fan of subscription boxes in general, because I had bad experiences in the past, but maybe this will turn me. Alrighty. Oh, nice. Some artwork. I don't know who the artist is. Oh, SAK 2020. Don't know who that is, but that's really nice. It's like a watercolor picture. And this is the little package. It's nice and done up with a really cool string. And a little aqua color. So I guess these are watercolor pencils. It's totally guessing. I don't actually know. Nice graphite drawing pencil. Let me see if you can. Let me focus the camera so you can actually see. There we go. So there's a graphite drawing pencil since 1889. It's a pretty old pencil if you ask me. All right. So we have a sketching pencil. So it's got a nice broader tip here, and feels really nice. It's nice and lightweight. I like the texture there. And we have a green pencil, olive green. I like olive green, it's one of my favorite colors. And a rigger brush. So it's like a whole gamut of things. That's really neat. This is a Scepter Gold 2 Sable Synthetic. So it's nice sable synthetic. If you're not familiar with paint brushes, then you might not know how good that is. But sable brushes are really nice. It's super soft and it'll hold. It's shaped well and it'll hold up a lot of pigment. I like sable brushes. This is a Winsor & Newton rigger, number size 1. Cool. And just a pencil. Oh, they have a branded pencil. That's really neat. Let me get this closer. So they have a branded pencil with Smile Create Repeat on there. That's pretty cool. And we have two more. Welcome, enjoy your surprise. So I guess these are more aquarelle crayon. I want to call them crayons, but they're not. That's a brand. But this is a white, and this is a canary yellow. Nice, vibrant yellow color with a little bit of orange mixed in. And I suppose this will tell me what everything is, because as you just heard, I don't know. I know a lot about the paintbrushes, but not much about everything else. Oh, so this is a postcard if you want to mail Tony a thank you, which, you know, I might. He might be my new pen pal. All right. So yeah, this will tell me what it is. I'll read it so you don't have to, because I'm having trouble focusing this. Anyways, number 1 is a General Kimberly drawing pencil 3H. I guess that's this. And that is a drawing pencil, or is it this one? We'll figure it out. A Winsor & Newton Scepter Gold 2 pointed round brush. Oh, it's a pointed round. I would call this a rigger brush, but you know, I'm not the brush inventor. A watercolor pencil, which is one of these. Oh, I guess it's the olive green. Vibrant hues, stunning watercolor effects with a thick core. Oh yeah, so it's a watercolor pencil. That's pretty cool. I've never used one of those. I've used sketching pencils and regular pencils, but I've never used watercolor, so that's pretty nice. A equaling watercolor paper, which is right here. I didn't show this, but this is some nice paper, watercolor paper. I don't do many watercolors, but maybe this will get me to try it. And that's what's really cool about this, is I normally paint oil paints and some acrylics, but this is getting me to try different things, which you know, I like doing, and everyone should. And a water-soluble sketching pencil. So that's this Derwent water-soluble. So I guess you could draw your sketch for the watercolor, and then on this with this pencil, and it'll be soluble, meaning it'll dissolve. And bonus are the water-soluble crayons. Oh, so they do call them crayons. I thought that was a brand name, but you know, it's a crazy world. Yeah, so that's it. That's all that came in. Oh, and a sticker, I think. They have a lot of nice branded things. I'd love to know who did the art that they get sent over here. But I guess their name is on it. Cool. So that is their Smile Create Repeat subscription box, which I highly recommend. I mean, it's not a whole lot of stuff, but really, I mean, it's every month. It'll take you a whole month to go through this, so you don't need a lot of things. And especially if you're just wanting to explore art, you're not sure what kind of artist you want to be, or you just want to try different things, highly recommend giving them a try. I'm going to sketch something up real quick, test these out, not on camera. It'll take me a while to figure out how to use these. Never have. I don't want to make a fool out of myself. But yeah, great. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so I spent some time figuring out how to do the watercolor crayons, and I should mention that I'm not ignorant. I know that Crayola is the brand name of crayons, so yeah, I wanted to fact check that. But here's an apple I did. My son loves apples, and I figure I'll give this to him and he can hang it on the fridge if he wants. But it's not a very good apple, and it reminds me of my art professor in college who said there's no bad art, just bad artists, and I think this is a testament to that. You know, he also said that the best brush we had was the brush inside of our mind, and made us spend an entire class with our eyes closed painting. But here's an apple I did. I do like this box. I guess if the only thing I could say as a critique would be the colors that were sent are not the best. Red, yellow, and white. There's only a couple of things you can do that with that, but if there were more primary colors like red, blue, yellow, it'd be a lot easier to come up with something more involved. But you know, this is a great jumping off point. My favorite thing in this box would be this water-soluble pencil. It gets really good shading and a cool look whenever you add the water to it, which is it's really nice. Also, my wife mentioned that these postcards that came in the box are from previous people who had a box. So there's that by someone, and this one's by Tony Luongo, the owner of Smile Create Repeat. I couldn't tell that because I can't read the small fonts without my reading glasses because I'm an old man. So if you like this and you like trying different kinds of art, go to smilecreaterepeat.com and check out their boxes, their monthly boxes. They're really cool, and you know, they give you different art supplies every month. Won't always be watercolor. I don't know what else they do, but obviously they do gouache, which is another water type of paint, and this looks like another watercolor that Tony did. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Like I said, go to smilecreaterepeat.com for more information. Thanks, Tony, for sending this over. I do like it a lot, and that's my unboxing video.